In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to view your App Store purchase history. So to check your purchase history on your App Store, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your App Store. So once you successfully logged into your App Store, if you check the top right corner, you're going to see a profile picture over there. So I want you to tap on that profile picture. So once you tap on that profile picture, if you check here, you can see it's where it says purchase history. So I want you to tap on that purchase history. So once you tap on that purchase history, it's going to display all your purchase history for you. So let's wait for that to load up for us. As you can see, this is our purchase history on iPhone. That is, this is my purchase history on my iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually check your purchase history on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.